Hi, I'm Lori Hayden, garden coach and butterfly enthusiast at English Gardens. I'm on the mission to help save monarch butterflies and other species. You can attract butterflies by filling your garden with nectar-rich flowers. Energy-rich nectar is the primary food source for most adult butterflies. Some nectar plants have the reputation of being favorites to a wide variety of butterflies. My favorite annuals that you'll find in my garden are lantana, zinnias, pentas, cosmos, and assorted sunflowers that I started from seed. Some great nectar perennials to include are coneflowers, milkweed, liatris, bee balm, phlox, cardinal flower, asters. You can also add shrubs in your garden. My favorite is bougainvillea, which is a butterfly bush. You should select a variety of nectar-producing plants with the goal of providing flowers in bloom throughout the season. Now, it takes more than nectar to entice butterflies to take up residence in your garden. While nectar-rich flowers attract passing butterflies to stop and feed, host plants send an invitation to stay a while. Host plants are the secret to successful butterfly gardening. They are plants caterpillars feed on. Each species has specific host plants that adult butterflies lay their eggs. If you're looking to attract monarch butterflies, you will need to plant milkweed. Two of my favorites are butterfly weed and swamp milkweed. You want groupings and a variety of milkweed. Now, some of you may have some unexpected guests in your herb garden. You may find some black swallowtail caterpillars enjoying some of your herbs. The host plants for the black swallowtail are parsley, dill, fennel, and rue. So plant a few extra herbs to share. By including both host plants and nectar plants in your garden, you can attract a wider selection of butterflies while providing an environment that supports their entire life cycle. If you plant it, they will come. I'm Lori Hayden, helping make your life beautiful by making gardening easier.